What's going on? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the King of the Hill theme song on the guitar. We're in E standard. I'm playing a Gibson EC30 BKE. It's a Blues King Electro. It's a J185 made before the year 2000. This one was made in 1997 and it's for sale on Reverb right now. It's beautiful. But let's get into it. So first we're going to start on the open E. That's your strumming pattern. All on open E. And that's 4 on E. And then we're going to go to open A. And that's 4-2 on A. Then we're going to go back to open E. Same strumming pattern. Then we're going to go open A twice. 4 on E twice. 4 on 2E, or 2 on 2E. So and then we're going to go 4, 2, open. So from the beginning, open. So same pattern as the beginning. And then that change there, we're going to go 2 on D, 4 on A, 2 on A, open A, 4 on E, open A. So seven, 4, open, and then once you get to 4, it's going to be so 4, 5, 4, 2, open, or you could do 4, open on A, 4, 2, open. I like to hammer that on and pull it off. And then we're going to go power chord on the A string, 4th fret. And then power chord, 4th fret, E string. And then 2nd fret, A string. And then we're going to go 5, 4, 2, 4, 2, open on the E. So that's back there, and we're going to do the 2nd fret thing again. And then we're going to hit power chord E, 7th fret, A string. So from the beginning, this is what we have. There you have it. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already.